Welcome back, darlings. Something slightly different for you this time. I'm reviewing the Gardena weed puller. Not detailing related, I know, but stick around and I'm going to show you why this is the best dandelion removal tool I've found. Okay, I'm going to get straight into it. This is one of the most thankless tasks out there, removing dandelions from your lawn. It drives me mad. I've tried multiple different tools over the years, and this is, I would say, the only one that really works. So I've definitely tried one of these. You're well aware of these little fork things. I never had much success with that. They work well with the small plants, but not the big ones. I didn't go for the Fisker one, which has kind of got a clamp that goes down and then kind of pinches it and you rock it back. The reviews were really mixed. Some people will swear by it, some people found it wasn't good at all. There aren't many reviews of this thing around, so I've decided to make it. I saw it in my local garden centre. I put links down below to get it on Amazon, but it seems to be much of a muchness in price as whether you get it in store or online, so whatever's most convenient for you. Comes with a nice guard which is meant to be kept on it afterwards just to avoid it. It's got slightly chamfered edges. They're not sharp, but they're slightly angled so it can cut in through the ground. Let's get into how it works. The idea is you put these prongs around the plant root. Now I would say I found most successful. I've really just spent a bit of time having a look around for where the best root is. There's one here. And you make sure you plant it either side of the kind of centre of the plant. Push it down. Push with the foot as well to get it nice and deep. They say twist 180. I found 180 is enough. You don't need to do like full 360. So you twist it around, pull it up, pulls out the plug, and you just push down on the grey bit here to release it. And there, it's going to crumble away the soil because you're going to want the soil to go back into the hole you just made. Crumble that off, push it in. Now I would say the hole it leaves is quite big, so you might want to plug this afterwards with a bit of extra topsoil or compost and some lawn seed, so you haven't got lots of holes all over over your lawn. But there you go, taproot pretty much out completely. How good is that? That's it. It's the easiest one I found to use. It's quick, it's simple, and it's effective. It's effective all the time as well. And I think that's the important thing. It costs about £40. It is money well spent, and it is built like a tank. Of course it is. It's Gardena. Thanks very much for watching. See you in the next one.